Commence the freak out. Sell your stocks. Hide in your bomb shelter. China has released a shocking AI LLM with stunning capability, operating at a fraction of the cost. Stocks are tumbling. Nvidia, Meta, Google, all worthless penny stocks now. Hail DeepSeek R1, the best LLM humanity has ever seen. Or so it would be if you read the bloody news and didn't bother to look into stuff yourself. Yeah, DeepSeek, the most capable LLM ever invented, from the land of shortcuts and facades. Let's have a look, shall we? So, here's the thing. I honestly don't give two shits about how amazing it performs, or how efficient it is, or how cheap it was developed. Only one thing matters to me right now. Has its development been influenced by the Chinese Communist Party? So, like millions of others, I downloaded it this morning and found out for myself. Started with something basic, like, is there poverty in China? And wouldn't you know, the answer is right out of a CCP propaganda book. For the record, anyone can claim you've raised their population out of poverty when you control what the definition of poverty is. And right now, in the US, the poverty line, arguably, is $1,305 per month. And even with the most generous massaging of numbers, the vast majority of Chinese live on less than $700 a month. Let's keep up the pressure, shall we? Seems like we upset someone's silicon-based feelings. Severe distortion and interference in Chinese internal affairs, you say? Malicious fabrications, eh? If that was the case, the good folks talking at my church this Sunday would not have had to have the streaming service cut and wouldn't have had to talk in code about where they're serving. Let's go for the money shot. Oh. You see that? Let's slow it down a bit there. No. How about sums it up? Again, doesn't matter how wonderful it is clearly fatally flawed by the CCP and their need to propagandize. You want a cheap LLM? Well, this is what you get. Kind of like a cheap EV. Might get burned. Oh, and one more thing. If this concerns you at all, you sure as shit stay away from those cheap tablets you find on Amazon. They come with AI assistants as well. These are the AI agents that your kids might be using to study for school. It's providing the same exact dangerous misinformation and propaganda. Spend the money and buy an iPad. It is better in every conceivable way. So, once again, media freakout isn't telling the full story. The stock market plunge will correct itself as soon as this information comes out. And this will be viewed as just another pathetic attempt. Tiger can't change its stripes. Oh, while you're at it, get the hell off, Red Note. More on that later.
Found myself a little at where kindness lights the way. Xiao Su's a village where strangers laugh and play.